just think she gets so passionate about playing netball on court, and it is really good, but when she gets called up for something, you can tell by her face if she agrees with it or not.
Caitlin, see?
She gets all of her shots.
Accuracy.
It's crazy.
3, 2, 1.
Leila, she always brings a speaker, and she's always got it in the change room, and she's like, let's go put some tunes on, hype us up.
What kind of music she playing?
Oh, like party music, like drum and bass.
I don't know if I'd agree with her music, but she likes to
gets
think
everyone
she's
hyped.
the DJ.
2, 1.
Naomi.
I said.
I said you. I just
Oh,
think you've got
I could
the
imagine
attributes
it.
of a...
I could imagine you playing.
Of a netball player.
That's nice, then.
That's nice.
Fion. It's just because she always turns up like 10 minutes late.
Warm up.
Yeah.
Three, 2, 1.
Millie.
Oh, now you've said it.
It's because she gets blown for contact all the time, and she has a little bit of a attitude sometimes about it, and she doesn't like to be blown for it. But I don't think she does it, but she always gets
No, they just...
Yeah.
It's because she plays keeper.
Yeah, it's
and they like to...
position.
Yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't.
Just the position, I think.
Goal shooters never get blown.
No, that's
they
true.
never
It's
do.
just the defenders.
Oh my god! Soap as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She's so
yeah.
funny.
They just
You
make
look
everyone
over and
laugh.
She's just doing something. And you're like, oh my god.
It's just their personality,
Some of the
really.
stuff Layla says, you're like, oh,
They're
okay.
just a bit...
And Soap's always doing
Clumsy.
something, yeah.
Yeah, Layla's clumsy.
Ooh.
Oh, maybe you're just like,
Yeah.
what really comes from.
Stressed.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
I picked
thanks.
you. I love your trainers. Thank you. Like, when you come in and like, oh.
I just think Nia always has nice, like, sports clothes.
I think Caitlin always has nice sports clothes,
Yeah.
doesn't she?
Oh, now you've said it, yeah.
Now I think about it. Yeah, nobody really dresses up. Well, we haven't really seen each other dressed up,
No.
No.
but the nicest, like, sportswear, I'd say.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm ready, I chose 3.
3, 2, 1.
That's a brown.
Brown.
Because you play
do
rugby.
the football, rugby, bit of
Yeah,
everything for
I
college
do.
now.
I
Millie
get dragged
does cricket.
Yeah, she's really good at cricket.
Really good cricket, and then Soph did gymnastics. And Nia does dance as well, actually. So
It's actually hard
bit
because
of
everybody's
everyone.
kind of got a second.
Oh, you
Yeah.
do? You do dance?
Yeah, but not anymore. Loves the camera the most.
Who shows it?
Okay, I think I got one.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
She just loves having a... She loves a pic. Like if
I feel
we...
like she's the first to mention team picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, team picture. We should have a team picture.
Always up for a photo.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You.
I said you. How long have you been playing?
6.
Oh, I was not.
I was like year 8.
Yeah, I was like year 7.
I've been quite late.
Year
I don't know how
7.
long the other girls were.
I just
Yeah,
felt like
I don't
you.
think they
Your
all
mum.
started kind of together.
Yeah.
Your
like
mum
year
had
6
the
or
club
7.
and stuff, so I thought,
Oh, yeah.
I didn't play for her. I wasn't allowed, I was too young.
Really?
Fairy, Britain Fairy.
3, 2, 1.
Caitlin C.
Oh, I forgot
Caitlin
about
Charles.
Charles. She's very clever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're also very clever too.
I like.
Very clever.
I guess we wouldn't have
Not
seen.
any of you 3.
No.
No. I don't think so.